Hi, welcome to the Workforce Manager's tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use one of our add-ons, the Workforce Manager. The Workforce Manager finds the best assignment of an operator to a task. It is able to find the right assignment for each operator based on his skills, maximizing the efficiencies of the overall schedule. After pressing the Demo 1 button, a new Excel sheet is automatically generated. In this sheet, in column A, there is an explanation of which data to enter for each columns of the tables. Furthermore, there is the explanation of the Settings and Parameters tabs. Before we started to explain the Inputs and Outputs tables, let's get a quick look at the Settings and Parameters tab. In the Settings tab, you have to select cells corresponding to your inputs. In the Log and Params tab, there is a section called Warning Log, where it is possible to read the warnings log. If it is empty, computing was successful. Furthermore, there is the possibility to set two parameters: the Prefer Assignment Same Activity parameter, if near one a task that has been assigned to an user continues to be assigned to that user. The Prefer Assignment Same Resource parameter, if near one a task that has been assigned to an user in a resource continues to be assigned to users of the same resource. There is also the Reset Parameters button to reset the params to the default value. Workforce Manager tables consist of 3 input tables and a single output table. The first input is the Activities table. In this table, the user must enter the activity to be carried out with the relative skill used, the amount required in FTE, and the period of time in which it must be carried out. Furthermore, you have the possibility to set its priority and in which resource you want to carry it out. The second input is the Employees table. It is made up of the employee and his period of work. Users can also enter the weight of that employee. The last input is the Skills Employee table. The Skills Employee consists of the connection between each employee and the related skill. In addition, it is possible to define the priority for each coupling. When all the data is entered and after verifying that all columns are set correctly in the Settings tab, the user just needs to press the Assign button, wait a few seconds and see the results printed in the Output Assignments table. As you can see, each activity skill pair, in a given period, is assigned to only one employee in possession of that activity and on duty. The activity skill pair can be split and assigned to different employees based on the Prefer Assignment Same Activity parameter, previously set. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to visit our website i4excel.com, to stay updated on all our add-ons and to contact us.